Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, we've got a super interesting camera comparison. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're gonna test everything. Video quality, ultra-wide shots, optical zoom, night photos, basically every aspect of their cameras. Alright, so I'm recording this right now in 4K at 60 frames per second. And both phones are loaded with some serious camera hardware. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max has three 50-megapixel cameras on the back. Yup, triple 50s. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max rocks triple 48-megapixel sensors. Okay. Kicking things off with the ultra-wide video, this one's from the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max in 4K. The dynamic range is solid, the colors are popping, and the video looks super smooth. Now let's check out footage from the main cameras. Both look amazing, but you'll notice some clear differences. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is giving off a cooler, brighter vibe, and there's definitely more detail, especially up in the sky. This is the optical zoom test. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max comes with a 50-megapixel telephoto that goes all the way up to 5 times optical zoom, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 48-megapixel telephoto with 4 times zoom. This is the night video test, shot in 4K at 60 frames per second. Both phones are solid in low light, but the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max looks noticeably brighter and brings out more detail in darker spots. The iPhone gives that classic, realistic Apple tone, but it's definitely darker overall. Now let's take a look at the photo comparisons: daylight, low light, and night mode. You'll see Xiaomi photos come out sharper and more vibrant, while the iPhone keeps things natural and balanced. So if you're into punchy, high-contrast shots, Xiaomi's got your back. But if you like that clean, realistic iPhone style, that's your pick. Both phones are absolute camera beasts, but I want to know what you think. Which one took the win for you? Drop your pick down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.